Hello guys, and welcome back to our new video. Today I'll show you how to download TikTok video without Watermark. I'll be showing some easy and simple steps to do so. Let's start the video. Open TikTok. Open the video you want to download. Click on Share option. Here you can see some options. Click on the Copy Link option. Once you have copied the link, go to your browser and search for SnapTik. Open the website. Paste your TikTok video link here and click on Download. Here you can see our video. Now click on Download. Now go to your downloads. As you can see, the video is downloaded without Watermark. So these were some simple steps to follow. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.